Eastport Dogs. In a cleaning spree the other day, I ran across an old notebook wedged in between two Peterson bird guide books. The notebook looked familiar. I flipped it open. Sig, Trooper, Bobo, names of dogs, pages of them, Eastport Dogs. We chose to live in Eastport, my husband and I, and moved here 6 years ago. There were plenty of compelling reasons for coming, of course, but chief among them was what we'd seen on our stroll along Water Street in our exploring places to retire to visit. We noticed dishes of water on the sidewalk outside local stores. Dogs hitched up here and there, waiting as their people shopped. This place likes its dogs, we said. Sig, Trooper, Bobo, Zipper. During our first couple of months, I kept a list, found the other day in this recovered notebook. Dogs I'd met downtown and on walks around town. A partial list, since I couldn't learn the names of every dog, but I'd learned many. Nelson, Webster, Cleo, Penelope, Coco, Midget, Emma, Theo, Otis, Nell, Annie, Maggie, Meggie, Evie. I was entranced. Sage, Tess, Dylan Thomas, Bailey, Lewis, Eric, Gus, Mac, Shiloh. Whoops! Shiloh wasn't a yellow lab after all. Shiloh's a pig, but she was on a leash. Yo-Yo, Suki, Griswold, Sky, Bryson, Angus and Leo, my dogs, Seamus, Bonnie, Marlboro, not sure of the spelling, Magic. Bailey, Ginger, Tony, another Bailey, Sam, BJ, Bear, Luciana, Murphy, Lily, Chanel, Snickers, Sparky, Max, Darwin. Some of these precious creatures are no longer with us. Griswold, Otis, Sky, Angus, Coco, Bobo. But it hasn't taken long for new ones to come. 2 Luckies, Daisy, Peanut, Clyde, another Sam, Brandy, Puck, Liza, Ludwig, Ruby, Sadie. I don't see dogs hitched out on Water Street so much these days, but the water dishes are still there. Anne Stanley, Eastport.